These underwater forests, known as seagrass meadows, are home to a vast array of marine life, from sea turtles to fish, and play a critical role in maintaining the health of our oceans. But seagrass meadows are being lost at an alarming rate, with some estimates suggesting that up to 30% of the world's seagrass has been destroyed in the past few decades, releasing massive amounts of stored carbon into the atmosphere. The decline of seagrass meadows is having a devastating impact on the marine ecosystem, with many species that depend on these habitats facing extinction, and the consequences of inaction will be catastrophic. The main culprit behind the decline of seagrass meadows is human activity, including coastal development, pollution, and overfishing, which are all taking a toll on these fragile ecosystems. As the seagrass meadows disappear, the carbon they store is released into the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change, and the loss of these ecosystems is a ticking time bomb for the health of our planet. But there is hope, as a new generation of conservationists and scientists are working to restore seagrass meadows, using innovative techniques such as replanting and transplanting seagrass, and the results are promising. From the use of drones to plant seagrass seeds, to the creation of artificial reefs to support seagrass growth, the possibilities for restoration are endless, and the impact could be significant. However, the road to restoration is not without its challenges, as the process of replanting seagrass meadows is complex and often fraught with uncertainty, and the stakes are high. As the restoration efforts begin to bear fruit, the results are nothing short of remarkable, with seagrass meadows beginning to regrow, and the marine life that depends on them starting to flourish once more. The impact of seagrass restoration is not limited to the marine ecosystem, as it also has the potential to support the livelihoods of coastal communities, and to contribute to the global effort to combat climate change. As the seagrass meadows continue to grow, they begin to absorb more carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change, and the cycle of restoration and growth becomes self-sustaining. The restoration of seagrass meadows is a beacon of hope in the fight against climate change, and a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always the possibility for transformation and renewal. As we look to the future, it is clear that the restoration of seagrass meadows will play a critical role in maintaining the health of our oceans, and in supporting the planet's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. The story of seagrass meadows is one of hope and resilience, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, there is always the possibility for transformation and renewal, and that the power to create positive change is within our grasp. As we conclude our journey into the world of seagrass meadows, we are left with a sense of wonder and a deeper appreciation for the importance of these underwater forests, and the role they play in maintaining the health of our planet. The restoration of seagrass meadows is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, and a reminder that even the most seemingly intractable problems can be solved, with determination and a commitment to creating a better future. As we look to the future, it is clear that the story of seagrass meadows will continue to unfold, and that the impact of these underwater forests will be felt for generations to come, and that the power to shape this future is within our hands.